Latinization means Latinization can refer to a number of different things, depending on the context. The process of converting a language into a script that makes use of the Latin alphabet is also referred to as Latinization. To Latinize a text, a translator might, for instance, take characters written in Chinese or Hindi and transform them into letters written in Latin. In the context of religion, the term Latinization can refer to the process by which non-Latin Christian churches were forced to conform to the practices of the Latin and Roman Catholic Church, primarily during the Middle Ages. This was done in an effort to bring these churches into line with the Latin and Roman Catholic Church. A place is said to be Latinized if it develops characteristics that are analogous to those of Latin American countries. For instance, places in the United States such as Miami that have a sizable Hispanic population are sometimes referred to